you can do it, that's it. Just do what I think you did, my little man. Come on, let me see you do that again, 'cause I know you can. Let me see you take a step with a smile of joy on your face, because you know this is what you're made to do. Those little muscles so that they can hold you up and carry you like they were made to do. And I will walk with you wherever you go, only when you need me to. And I will hold you close even if you get old, so love will cover you. If you can find the strength to take your first steps, maybe I can take mine too. No setback is gonna hold you down, my amazing son. Look how you took the sadness and turned it around, my brave little one. Just when I thought I was alone, you reminded me so clearly, we're in this thing together, you and I. With your dad not here, I couldn't see, 'cause I miss him so dearly, how to keep walking, but because of you, I'll try. I'll try, and I will walk with you wherever you go, only when you want me to. And I will hold you close even when you get old, so love will cover you. And if you can find the strength to take your first steps, can I take mine too? Because your determination to get up and keep going is showing me that I have no excuse. You have such joy in the discovery of all that you have yet to see. There's no stopping you now that your heart's let loose. Today you might be walking, but tomorrow you will fly. So why, oh why can't I? Oh, why can't I? When your dad died, part of me died too, but then I had you. I couldn't see what was ahead of me, but for you I had to. Each day I struggled just to take a breath from deep inside of me, because I wouldn't let you lose your mother too. But now that we have come this far, I know we'll make it all the way, 'cause when I see the world through your eyes, everything is new. It's new. And I will fly with you till you fly on your own, and I will too. And I will hold you close even if you let go. My heart has a place for you. the day you chose to take your first steps, then today's the day I'll take mine too. Into a new world, away from the pain, away from the sorrow, away from all that's held me back before. We'll walk into a new day with a love that will last. If we're breathing, then there's still more to live for. And now I know, all because you took your first steps.